All right, it's Thursday, December 19th, just following up on the SPY. You can see it is heading lower here. I bought some puts when kind of essentially bar number two closed red and then paused, and I still expected lower prices here. So bought the puts here. It's heading lower as anticipated. We'll see if we get to the low yesterday as a target. I decided to be conservative and scale out and set up a no-risk trade. Bought the 600 puts at 1162. I scaled out at 1265, a point higher. They're just traded at 13. So, at no risk right now, I get to see after this gap up, are we really going to come down and take out yesterday's low? And then, by the end of the week, are we going to close red here and then follow through into next week a little bit? There's still some targets. The next target's down here. After we took out this weekly target, we do have these two targets down here that seem kind of likely to be hit, and that's in line with yesterday's low and everything else. So, after that big drop yesterday, we gapped up a little bit, but opening price action moved lower. Now I'm able to scale out, set up a no-risk trade. As long as we hold the midpoint of this first bar, I just get to watch it. You never know for sure. So it's a no risk right now. The gap up is a little tricky. Are we just kind of consolidating after a big move down, and it's going to be choppy? If we can't get a directional move, maybe we have to take out liquidity to the upside before heading lower, or maybe we get a big reversal to the upside. But for now, the structure is to the downside. At least I got some initial follow through to set up a no-risk trade, and we'll see if the SPY can kind of reach yesterday's low and some of those, bigger picture targets down in this area as well after that big drop from yesterday.